Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm section we are going to create algorithm that check which value is mean or max. We'll do this one. So what we are going to do, we'll input two values and we'll just from the if statement we'll check it which is max, which is a mean value. So we'll do in two ways. We'll also use the math class. First, let's get our first value. We'll say enter first number, and then we'll say var first. Then we'll convert to integer. We'll say convert to integer, and we'll write our console read line. And let's do the second one. We'll say console write. We'll say enter the second number, and let's write second, and we'll convert also to int32. And now in two ways we can know that which value is mean, which is max. It's very simple, really. We'll create if statements. We'll say if first is greater than second, then we'll say console write line, and then we'll say first is max value, and else we'll write the console write line. We'll do the same thing. This time we'll say second is max value. It's something like this. Let's try it. Let's run it, how it is functioning. Let's first, I will say 7, and second one I say 11. 11 is max, and let's first 11, and let's say 7. 11 is max. And beside this one, beside this if statement, we can use math. There is a max in the math method class, sorry. S2 is common, and let's come here, and we'll say var max, and we'll write math method, and here as you see that we have a max. So after the max, as you see, we can pass through as a integer, float, double, decimal, byte, and gives us a lot of options. So I will pass through first and second number, and then we'll get our max, and I will say console write line, and then we'll say is max value. Now let's run it. Let's say 47, 110. 110 is the max value. This is that much simple, guys. See you next video. If you like my channel, please subscribe it.